Before we go further, let's just take a step back and say that when Google searches based on your inquiry, there's actually quite a bit of work going behind the scene. First of all, Google need to constantly crawl the web so that it can keep track of all the new web pages and the changes on the existing web pages. Then it need to store the information collected about these pages and index them in a database. And then it would need to compute, in fact, 2 rather than just 1 scores, and then rank the pages and then display them for each search. 1 score is what we were talking about, the importance score, and that will be the sole focus in today's lecture. But there is also a relevance score. Okay. It has to make sure that it doesn't just rank all the 60 billion pages out there for every inquiry. You only rank those that are relevant. Now, this is an important topic in information retrieval, in database management. We just won't have time to talk about it. But we know that for any reasonably popular search terms, there will be many relevant web pages. And then what matters in deciding which web page will show up on page 1 of the search result often boils down to the difference in the importance score of this eventually composite of 2 scores. So it is the importance score determined by the connectivity pattern of the web page graph that will often determine the final ranking of the top, say, 10 or 50 or so web pages.